Mulai Bu, ready Bu? Oke.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. How are you today? I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. Once more ya. How are you today? I am fine. And you? I'm good. Thank you for asking me. Okay. Before we start learning today, I want all of you pray together. Who wants to pray together? Nisa, you want to lead? Yes. Okay. Nisa, please lead your friend to pray together. Come on.
Okay, friend, let's pray together.
Okay, thank you. Because we are an Indonesian people, so have to increase our spirit. Now, I want to all of you sing Indonesian Raya. Everybody stand up. Come on. Okay. Are you ready to sing Indonesian Raya? Yes. Okay. Come on. I want to put you back first, right? Okay, I wanna know your condition. Are you happy today? Happy or not meet with me? Yes. Senang nggak ketemu ibu? Senang. Okay. I wanna Anissa.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Atika Hayara Dewi.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Frisa Octavia.
Yes, Miss.
Intan Nurul Aini.
Yes, Miss.
Levi Andanista.
Yes, Miss.
Mardiana.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Monica Putri Angeli.
Yes.
Okay. Nadia. Nurjana.
Yes, Miss.
Rido Fernando.
Yes, yes.
Rizky Saputra.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Rafiatul Surani. Syamara Ade Rahayu.
Yes, Miss.
Wahyu Saputra.
Yes, Miss.
Zikrina Ilahana.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, complete kelas kita hari ini. Oke, for the next we have to tujuan pembelajaran. Kita mempunyai tujuan pembelajaran. Look at the screen. There are several purposes of our lessons today. Kita mempunyai beberapa tujuan pembelajaran pada hari ini. Coba hitung in English. Ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 purposes of our lessons today. Okay, look at the first one. Read together yuk. Peserta didik
mampu mengidentifikasi
jenis dan struktur teks dari teks naratif. Okay, and then peserta didik
peserta didik mampu mengukur kebangsaan dari teks naratif. Peserta didik mampu menganalisis berbagai struktur secara berkelompok. Peserta didik mampu mempresentasikan hasil dari diskusi kelompok. Peserta didik mampu menyimpulkan pesan moral yang ada di dalam teks secara mandiri.
Okay. Peserta didik mampu mengidentifikasi unsur kebahasaan, menganalisis, dan mempresentasikan, juga menyimpulkan pesan moral dari teks naratif. Okay, in last meeting, what we did learning? Minggu kemarin kita belajar tentang apa?
Asking and giving opinion.
Asking and giving opinion. What is asking and giving opinion?
Memberi pendapat.
Oke, meminta dan memberi pendapat. Wait ya. Oke, before we masuk ke dalam pembelajaran, have you ever read about the Maling Kundang story, Romeo and Juliet story, and what is Cinderella, Rapunzel, Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih, Sang Kuryang, and you know the character of someone who panjang hidungnya? Pinocchio. And animals. What is animals? Hewan yang very smart, very nakal. Apa? Hewan apa? Kancil, anak nakal. Pernah kalian membaca story itu? Nah, what is the story? The story tells about in Maling Kundang. Maling Kundang itu bercerita tentang apa? Durhaka. Kalau yang si Kancil bercerita tentang apa dia? Yang sangat cerdik. Based on the kind of the text yang saya katakan sebelumnya, kalian tahu nggak itu jenis teks apa? Naratif teks. Oke, atau naratif teks tadi. Berarti kita masuk ke lihat, look at this one. Berarti today we are going to learn about text naratif. Kalian tahu nggak sih apa itu teks naratif?
Menceritakan masa lampau.
Yang menceritakan masa lampau. Coba kita lihat ya. Look at the screen. Okay. What is narrative text? Mungkin kalian kemarin belajarnya pakai bahasa Indonesia. Sekarang because we are in English language, so we have to know about how do we to speak in English language. Okay, look at what is narrative text. Narrative text is kind of the text that tell the story or describe a series of events. It usually aims to entertain the readers and listeners and sometimes to teach a moral lesson. Apa itu dalam bahasa Indonesia? What is an Indonesian language? Siapa yang tahu? No, okay. Hampir mirip dengan pengetahuan kalian sebelumnya. Narrative text adalah sebuah jenis teks yang menceritakan sebuah cerita atau mendeskripsikan sebuah peristiwa. Kemudian, it usually aims to entertain, biasanya atau tujuannya to entertain. Apa entertain? Menghibur readers and listener, pembaca dan pendengar, and sometimes to teach a moral lesson. Sometimes, terkadang, dan mengandung atau mengajarkan sebuah pesan moral. Sampai sini paham? Do you understand? What is the narrative text in English language? Okay, I forget about something. We didn't have to ice breaking. Look at the Rido. Rido kayak ngantuk deh. Kayaknya kita harus ice breaking dulu ya. Before we masuk the next step. Okay, everybody stand up. Okay, everybody stand up. Still you remember about the last meeting kita ice breakingnya, masih ingat nggak? Apa? Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning to you, good morning to me. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Once more. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning to you, good morning to me. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Okay, applause. Pertanyaannya lagi, what is narrative text? The kinds of the text to tell the story or describe of event. Sebuah cerita yang menceritakan tentang sebuah cerita masa lampau tadi, atau yang menceritakan kejadian atau sebuah peristiwa. Oke, sampai sini paham? You got it? Yes. Okay. Let's next one. Kind of narrative text. What is kind? Kind it means type, tipe atau jenis. Kinds of narrative text. There are several kinds of narrative text. Look at how many kinds of narrative text. Ada berapa banyak itu di web ini di screen-nya? There are 4 kinds. Fable. The first one is a fable. Fable is a short story, often using animals as a character. For example, di sana ada si kancil. Okay. Fable adalah sebuah cerita yang sering menggunakan hewan sebagai karakternya. Contohnya si kancil. Contoh lain selain si kancil? Ya, Surabaya. Asal usul kota Surabaya itu kan dari Sura dan Baya katanya, dari buaya. Anything? Ada yang lain? Yang hide-in di Antv. Marsha and the Bear. Bear is the main character of the story in this movie. Okay. Tom and Jerry. Ada lagi? Uno. Kalau nggak ada kita next. Okay, next. Next one atau the second one is fairy tale. A fantasy story that using magical creatures. Magical. A fantasy story. Story itu apa sih bahasa Indonesia? Cerita. Fantasi? Hayalan. Sebuah cerita hayalan yang menggunakan magical creatures. What is magical? Sihir atau keajaiban. Contohnya di sana ada Aladdin. What is the magical of Aladdin story? Lampu aja. Karpet terbang. Oke, kemudian look at the next one atau the third one is legend. What is legend? Legenda. Legend is a traditional story. Sebuah cerita tradisional. Contohnya tadi apa? Why Maling Kundang we call traditional story? Because traditional is a real story from Indonesia, our country. Okay? The next one, what is the next one? Personal experiences. Personal experiences. A true story based on someone real life experience. Nah, ini semuanya relate dengan kalian semua kalau yang terakhir ini. Oke, personal experience. Personal, what is personal? Pribadi. Experience itu misalnya kemarin kalian jatuh dari sepeda motor. Apa itu? Salah satu pengalaman atau peristiwa. Oke. Personal experience berarti pengalaman pribadi atau a true story, sebuah cerita nyata based on, berdasarkan seseorang real life experience, kehidupannya nyata. Do you understand what is kind of the narrative text? Oke. Maling Kundang tadi berarti masuknya kemana? Legend. Kalau apa ya? Kalau Pinocchio dia masuk kemana? Fairy. Okay, good. Do you understand what I say about kind of narrative text? Paham? How many kinds of narrative text? Ada berapa banyak? There are 4. Okay. The first one is fable. The second one is fairy tale. The third one, the last one, personal experience. Okay. Paham ya? Okay. Look at the next slide. Okay. Generic structure. Apa itu? Generic structure of narrative text. Because we learn about language, that's why kenapa kita harus belajar tentang generic structure atau tata bahasa. Okay, look at in narrative text there are three generic structure. Ada berapa generic structure-nya? There are 3. Okay. Look at the first one. Orientation. Introduce the character, setting of place, and setting of time. Orientation, it means orientasi. What is orientasi? Pengenalan yang kalian lakukan di several years ago. Orientasi atau introduce the character, setting of place, and setting of time. Orientasi memperkenalkan karakter, setting of place. What is place? Tempat kejadian, kemudian setting of time. What is time? Waktu. Jadi di sebuah teks naratif itu ada orientation, dia memperkenalkan tentang karakter, setting place-nya, dan kemudian juga setting of time-nya. There are 3 part in orientation, consist of 3 part. Okay? Apa? Karakter, setting of place, dan setting of time. Itu termasuk ke dalam bagian show a problem that happened to the character. Menunjukkan sebuah masalah yang terjadi terhadap karakter dalam cerita. Paham sampai sini ya? Look at the last one. Resolution. Resolusi atau penyelesaian. Good. Tells how the problem is solved, either happy or not. Apa itu bahasa Indonesia? Tells menceritakan bagaimana permasalahan itu terselesaikan, either happy or not, walaupun happy atau not happy. Tidak semua cerita itu happy ending. Contoh yang not happy ending ada nggak yang kalian tahu ceritanya? Apa? Maling kuda. Romantic story ada nggak yang not happy? Romeo and Juliet. Kalau yang happy ending? Cinderella is happy ending. In America, Cinderella. In Indonesia, Cinderella. You got it? What I explained about the generic structure. Dapat? Oke, paham? Understand? Good, thank you. Okay, look at the next. Great. Language features. Seperti yang saya bilang tadi, kita belajar tentang bahasa. Jadi kita akan mengenal sedikit tentang bahasanya. Language feature atau bahasa-bahasa atau kata-kata yang sering muncul yang akan digunakan dalam teks naratif. Ada berapa itu, Luka? There are 6 parts in language feature. Okay, look at the first one. Is past tense. Apa itu past tense? Bentuk waktu. Past itu di masa lalu. Kira-kira ada nggak sih cerita itu tentang naratif teks yang di masa depan? Ada? Tidak ada. Based on personal experience aja dia terjadi paling tidak seminggu yang lalu. Oke, jadi automatically secara langsung dia menggunakan tenses past tense. Formula of tenses past tense. Subjek, kata kerja kedua, dan objek. Itu contoh kata kerja kedua. When and run. Paham? Paham? Okay. Look at the action words. Action. Action word. Aksi. Word itu kata. Berarti kata yang melakukan sesuatu or do something. Okay, look at run and jump. What is run? Berlari. Do something nggak dia? Do something. Jump? Melompat. Okay. Now look at the time connective. Time connective itu penghubung waktu atau ciri-ciri waktunya. Oke, di situ ada once upon a time, after that. Biasanya cerita-cerita naratif teks itu menggunakan once upon a time in the small village. Pada sewaktu-waktu. Pada waktu itu atau enggak tuh several years ago. Beberapa tahun yang lalu, enggak tuh 100 years ago, 100 tahun yang lalu, semuanya pakai lalu-lalu karena terjadi di past tense, terjadi di masa lalu. Look at the next one is direct and indirect speech. Direct itu langsung dan indirect itu kalimat tidak langsung. Contohnya lihat, the girl said help me. Wanita itu ngomong, tolong saya. Sedangkan yang tidak langsung, the girl said that she need help. Itu yang ngomong orang lain. Okay, look at the last one is adjective. lipat. Dan adverb itu kata keterangan. Kata sifat contohnya beautiful, handsome, it's like Rido. Rido handsome, kalau dia cantik kan cewek. Oke. After I explain this one, ada pertanyaan atau tidak? No. Do you understand what I explained? Do you understand? No question more? No. Kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, berarti saya yang bertanya. Do you understand what is the part, what is the kind, what is the goals, what is the purpose of narrative text? Yes, you understand. Okay. Now, look at your paper about the Cinderella. Di situ ada berapa paragraf? Consist of 3 paragraph. Okay. Siapa yang mau baca? Oke, siapa yang mau baca? Cinderella. Ya, Monica, baca Monica. Come. Ya, nanti saya cek.
Cinderella. Once upon a time, she was a beautiful girl called Cinderella. She lived with her stepsister and stepmother. They were very bossy.
We have
She had to do all the
housework. Okay. Okay, next. Siapa lagi? Nisa, come on.
One day, an invitation to the ball
Come to the family. Stepsister.
did not let her go. So Cinderella was very sad. The stepsister went
One to the
to
ball.
the ball with
Her. Okay. Okay, the last paragraph. Zikri, come on, right? Fortunately,
The girlfriend came and helped her to get to the ball. At the ball, Cinderella, the sweet girl prince, fell in love with her girl,
then he married her.
married her,
They lived happily ever after. Okay, this is the example of text narrative atau narrative text. Ini adalah contoh dari teks naratif. There are consist of 3 paragraphs. Okay, look at the paragraph 1. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful girl called Cinderella. She lived with her stepsister and stepmother. They were very bossy. She had to do all the housework. Once upon a time, berarti ini time connected. Kita bedah generic structure-nya. Generic structure. The paragraph pertama itu, there was a beautiful girl called Cinderella. She lived with her stepsister and stepmother. Itu termasuk ke dalam orientation, conflict, or complication atau resolution. Orientation. Okay. The paragraph pertama, the paragraph 1 is the orientation. Okay, look at the next paragraph. One day, invitation to the ball come to the family. Her stepsister did not let her go, so Cinderella was very sad. The stepsister went to the ball with her. Yang paragraph kedua, the second paragraph is complication. Cinderella-nya tidak boleh datang ke pesta. Okay, the last paragraph. Fortunately, the god fairy came and helped her to get to the ball. At the ball, Cinderella danced with the prince. The prince fell in love with her, then he married her. They lived happily ever after. Ini apa yang terakhir? Resolution. Based on the story Cinderella, it is happy ending or sad ending?
Happy
ending. Ada kalimat they live happily ever after. Do you understand about generic structure in the text? Nah, biasanya, usually, orientation itu ada di awal kalimat. Sedangkan conflict in the middle paragraph. Sedangkan kalau yang resolution Paham? Oke. Kalau kalian paham, kita buat in a group, small group, ya. Okay, I have your data. I want you, all of you, make for a group. In each a group consists of 4 students. Kalian buat 4 grup, kemudian dalam satu grup terdiri dari 4 siswa. Oke. Grup 1, Zikri, Wahyu, Mardiana, and Levi. Okay, you ready? Okay, good. Kelompok 2, Ahmad, Yara, Rizky, and Intan. Ada orangnya ya. Kelompok 3, Monica, Syamara, Jana, and Rido. Oke. Kelompok 4, Anissa, Rofi, Prisa, and Nadia. Oke, kalian bisa round your group, gabung ke grupnya boleh. Oke. Oke, di belakang itu aja gabung. Kalau enggak ya aja ke sini. Okay, I have some paper atau some worksheet. You have to discuss. Okay. Ready? Kelompok berapa ya, Ra? Kelompok 2. Okay. Ready? Sudah.
Ready.
Okay, I explain again ya. I have some paper. You have to discuss in your group and then answer the questions. You have to discuss what is this story tells about, and then you answer the question. After that, you can present in front of the classroom. Okay, in front of the classroom. Kalian presentasikan di depan kelas. You got it? Paham? Paham. Kelompok 1, group 1. Ini saya. Group 1. I'm sorry. Kelompok 2. Kelompok 3. Malika. Kelompok group 4 is Rofiato. Oke. Silakan dikerjakan. Answer the questions. Ya. Ya, tulis aja di situ. Write your name of groups ya. Tulis namanya di sini. Write your name. Ya. How many people in your group? How many people in your group? Ya. Berapa orang dalam grup kalian? Discuss, open your dictionary. Discuss, guys. Discuss. Yeah, answer the questions. Okay. What happened itu? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? The main characters. Where itu indicate dengan place. Atau when itu relate-nya dengan time. Menerangkan time. Yara, is there any problem, Yara? No? Okay. Mas Surudi? Princess itu putri, prince itu pangeran. Yakin kalian ini jawabannya? Just prepare for your presentation. Maybe the first group will be first present. Grup 1 bakal mungkin present pertama. Karena kalian sudah selesai. Ya, perasaan. Perasaan. Happy or unhappy? If the character is in it, happy or not happy as a representative. Come on. Come on. Have we done, class? Sudah? Have you done? Come on. Have you done? Sudah selesai kan? Oke. Now, yang maju pertama kayaknya sudah ready banget itu the first group atau kelompok pertama. Oke, come on, yuk. Maju yuk. The first group. Four. Yes, come on. Okay, for the next group is group 4. Okay. Okay, come on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are going to present our discount.
Okay. Okay, Zikri, my name is.
My name is Zikri Naila Hana.
My name is Alfiana Lisa.
My name is Pratika Kusuma.
My name is Notiana.
Okay. What is your discussion? Answer these questions. Okay. Yeah, go on.
Sangkuriang and Dayang Suni were the main character. Sangkuriang and Dayang Suni were just the story take place.
Oke, sebelahnya nanti nomor 3 dan 4 Levi, nomor 5 dan 6 Wahyu.
Live in a kingdom in different way.
It tells the story of their lives and then
Right in
time. What does the time? You are what you go make a beautiful woman.
Okay. Number 5 and number 6.
Was angry and both of us were men and they have made more
Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, next group. Group 4. Okay, come on, go on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are going to present our discussion about Rapunzel. My name is Nur Anissa.
My name is Trisa Octavia.
My name is Nadia Verina.
Okay.
Who are the main characters? Rapunzel, Prince, Prince, and Crown Prince. Where do you work? Yes, the story takes place in a castle covered with mountains.
Okay. When does the story take place? What counts of what are kind? What does the main character do or what to do? Rapunzel and friends. Pay attention please, temennya. Okay, come on.
How does the story end? Happy ending. How do the characters feel? Very happy.
Very happy. Okay, thank you. Closing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, next group. Group Yara, you want to?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Agus Rudi. My name is Muhammad Ferdian.
What is okay?
One. Who are the main characters? Anasni, Aragorn, and Ins. Where does the story take place? Yunani Kuno.
When does the story take place? In all era. What does the main character do or plan to do? Athena and Arachne. How does the story end? Arachne. How does the character Athena is
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, good morning. We are from Group 3. Here we are going to present our discussion about the story of Hercules. My name is Monica Putri.
My name is Nurjana. My name is Syamara Derawini. Soal 1. Who are the main character? Hercules or Mouse?
Panggilan atas nama yang bersangkutan tertulis BNN dan Pak Gunawan
When does the story take place?
Yang dulu.
In past tense.
panggilan atas nama
What was the main character do or went to do? Happy ending.
Pak Gunawan.
Hercules go mad and Hercules is on with and children in a fit of rage.
Kalau Sabtu tak bisa ke ada
Goes and story and happy ending. How to end
Minggu
character
besok
feel. Hercules was ever
Minggu besok
made
minggu. Malam besok sampai Sabtu bisa.
revealed for his sins.
Bisa langsung dia bikin langsung. Ya, jadi langsung.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for the presentations. But there are little notes. Nggak notes sih, sebenarnya banyak. Several catatan untuk your English.
Woi, tak bisa dong.
Presentation was good enough, but you have to increase your confidence in English language.
Tak bisa.
The key of how to learn English language is be confident. Percaya diri. Okay, next look at the paper that I share one by one all of you. Okay, yes, one by one I share the paper. Yes, di situ ada pertanyaan one question. Write atau explain the moral values that you get the text. Nah, apa itu? Explain the moral value that you get after you read the text. Tuliskan moral value dari bacaan yang sudah kalian baca. It's individual assignment. Tuliskan sendiri-sendiri. Okay, come on. I give you 30 minutes. Okay, come on. Don't forget write your name. Combine. You make in English. Terus juga boleh pakai bahasa Indonesia sedikit. Okay, come on. Right. Okay, come on. In English. Tulis dulu dalam bahasa Indonesia. Tulis dalam bahasa Indonesia. Read the questions. One. It's okay. Up to you. Up to you. Write the moral value. Write the moral value. Write the moral value. I give you 3 or 4 minutes to write the moral value. Nancy? What? May I see what is the moral value that you get in another text? Pakai bahasa Indonesia. Don't forget write your name. Don't forget write your name. Don't forget write your name. Combine boleh combine Indonesian language. Language. Don't forget write your name. Lido, have you done? Think. This is the relate with our last meeting lessons, giving and asking opinion. Secret. Giving and asking opinion. This is to give your opinion in the text. Brave? Yes? What is moral value? Pesan? Pesan moral. Yara, what is moral value? Pesan? Pesan moral. Pelajaran. Kalian baca dari yang kalian dapat dari apa yang kalian baca. Moral value. Ya. I just want to know. What is your opinion on the text that you read? Nisa, have you done? Done. Start. Sudah selesai? Wait, situ aja. Oh, you want to? Okay, pick it. Give up. Give up. Jangan menyerah. Don't give up. Rina, have you done? Great. Kayaknya Lido belum selesai. It's good. Okay. I give you 1 minute more. What's your name? Yara, have you done? Where's your paper, Rizky? Papernya mana? Oh ini. Ini yang bro. May I see Zikri? Where's your name? Don't forget to write your name, okay? Don't forget to write your name. Where's your name? Udah semua? Okay, semua sakit.
Sudah, Bu?
Ya.
Sudah. Please.
Ada yang masih belum? Sudah semua? All of you have it done. Explain the moral value that you get after the break. Okay. Monica, what is the text that you read, that you discuss with your friends? Apa yang kalian diskusikan? Teks apa? Ya, teks apa? Judulnya apa? The story of Hercules. What is the moral value that you get? Okay. Don't be. Oh, control your emotion. Okay. Good. Zikri. What is the title? The text that you read. Judulnya apa? Saya Sampurya and Desi. What is the moral value that you get? Oh good, kejujuran membawa kebaikan, oh kebohongan membawa kehancuran. Kalian pernah punya nggak sih pengalaman seperti itu? Punya, nggak boleh munafik. Setiap orang pasti ada bohong. Padahal dia mati. Okay, today kita sudah belajar tentang narrative text. What is the kesulitan you on learning English language? What is the kesulitan? Apa? Membaca. Selain itu, mengartikan. Selain itu, apa? Understand the meaning, memahami makna dari sebuah kata. I understand what is our difficulty to how learn English language, because English is our foreign language. But how do we to improve our English language? Kita harus banyak-banyak membaca buku bahasa Inggris, rajin-rajin dengar kamu, and then kalau saya, I like watching English movie. It's like Harry Potter, Avengers. I like that very much. And then I like English song. That's the, according to me, I think that how I learn English language is by song. Because yeah, I like that. Okay. Based on our material today, based on our activity today, what did you get about narrative text? Itu narrative text? Teks yang menceritakan tentang sebuah cerita atau masa lalu. Be confident. Ya. Kenapa kalian tidak percaya diri? Be confident. Nah, kemudian ada berapa generic structure? Ada tiga. There are 3. Kalian itu paham, cuman kalian takut menyebutkannya, takut salah. It's okay to be wrong in English language. Kalau kita terus-terusan takut salah cara mengucapkannya, kapan kita bisa benar? Okay. How many generic structure? Generic structure. There are 3. Apa? Orientation. Okay, good. Mulai di sini. Come on, ice breaking. Come on, everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Once more. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Okay, thank you. Okay, if you want effort again, you may answer in this bahasa. Ini based on you, ya, based on you again in bahasa. This is our relaxation. Think, pikir. In bahasa.
Langsung juga baca.
Baca dulu dong, jangan langsung dijawab. answer based on you. Jawab berdasarkan kalian. What is your feel about our activity today? Happy or not?
Very, very
Don't forget to write your name. Have you done, Rizky? Sudah selesai? Have you finished clapping? No, not yet. Udah benar belum? Selesai? Start thinking. It's okay. Don't forget to write your name. Semuanya. Bisa, tapi dah. Rofi, dan okay, have you done? Selesai? Submit in here. Submit, silakan kumpulkan di depan. In front of you. Come on. Submit. Sudah disubmit semuanya? Sudah. What is? Do you like these classes? Do you like English classes today? Okay. What is the information? What is the information that you get for English lesson today? Apa informasi yang kalian dapatkan dalam belajar bahasa Inggris hari ini? About narrative text. Okay. Because this is our relaxation. Okay, close your eyes. You may close your eyes. Tutup mata. Take a deep breath. Tarik nafas yang dalam. And then pull slowly lewat mulut kalian. Oke. Kayaknya berat banget kan? Oke. Butuh satu kali lagi? Yes. Oke. Once more. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take a breath and push down slowly. Sudah agak nggak tegang? Oke. Satu kali lagi? No. Enough? Enough. Oke. Monica, what did you get information today? Nothing? About another class. Are you happy for this class today? Happy. Okay, for the next project, berarti next meeting. For the next project, we have to learn about procedural text. Okay, procedural text. Based on the kata-katanya itu apa procedural text? Prosedur bahasa Indonesia. Langkah. Procedural text. Langkah-langkah pembelajaran. Oke. Sampai sini ada pertanyaan? No. Enough? Okay. I think enough for today. Thank you for coming. Thank you for be kind to them. And see you for the next meeting. Oke. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I think enough. Thank you for coming. See you for the next step. Bye bye class.